What's up, guys, and welcome to Deriving an Equation Practice Problems Level Medium. All right, let's do it. So it says here, Joshua drove 300 miles in 6 hours of actual driving time. By driving an average of 12 miles per hour faster, Joshua could have saved approximately how many hours of driving time? Okay, so basically what we're trying to figure out here is we need to figure out, first of all, what was the actual mile per hour time that he was driving at, and then see what 12 miles per hour faster would be, and then figure out how long it would take to go that 300 miles. So we're gonna do it step by step, right? So first of all, to know how fast he was originally going, we'd say the distance, right, because it's miles per hour, the distance over the number of hours. So this will give us 300 over 6 hours, and that would reduce to, if we divide 300 by 6, 30 by 6, it would be 5. So 300 by 6 would be 50 miles per hour. Okay, so that was his original rate. 12 miles faster, 12 miles per hour faster would be 62 miles per hour. And now we want to know, okay, well, he's got to drive 300 miles. So 300 miles, what would the time be to get to us to 62? Well, now we can set up the same similar equation that we have here, but we just got to solve for the time, right? So we'd say it's still 300, and it's divided by some number of hours equals 62 miles per hour. And now we just solve, right? So we end up multiplying both sides by x, and then these guys cancel out. And then we divide both sides by 62, pretend that x isn't there. So we have 300 divided by 62. So we'll do it over here. You can do it on a calculator if you like. So we basically come down to, it would be less than 5, so it would be 4. 4 times 62 is 248. And we got 52, 520. And so now we do 5, 6, 9, let's see, 10, 9, 8, 48, 40, 480, 496. Sorry, just taking a little bit of time. That's 4.8, by the way. And then we have 24. All right, this is a doozy. Okay, 4.8, and then what will we get, like 3 or something like that, right? So 3, 4, so it'd be 3. Okay, so that takes us close enough. So we're talking now, it would take 4.83, and we might even get a repeating decimal. I'm not sure here. If we do 180, so 186, and then that would be 54. Okay, so maybe not, but this is far enough. So we've got, initially we've got 6 hours, and then now we've got 4.83 hours. And remember, it said Joshua could have saved approximately how many hours of actual driving time. So if we did the subtraction, it looks like I'd say in between 1.1 and 1.2. All right, so it'd actually be at this approximation 1.17 if we did the subtraction. So that seems closer to 1.2 hours. So E is our final answer, and done.